Hello, I'm link1384@hotmail.com. Today I want to show you my iPod Touch, some of the nice features that I get from jailbreak. Okay, let's try that one more time. There we go. Okay, so here's my iPod Touch. I have customized it. That's why I have a Pokeball as my slider. Yes, that is Mickey Mouse as the background holding his, I think, Wish Keyblade, the Wishing Star Keyblade or something. I can't remember all the names to be exact. Okay. Now, the nice applications that I like, I don't really like categories, but it's a good thing to have if you have a whole bunch of apps, so I suggest you getting that. Whatever you do, do not put categories in a folder, or the folder will not ever exist, and you'll have to re-jailbreak your iPod Touch and stuff. It gets annoying. Okay, so I like iFile because it's like SSHing in your iPod Touch, except you don't have to. Is what it allows you to do is go through the files in your iPod, and now I have this new thing where I can have my iPod Touch, as you can see on the computer, showing its video. The home button does not work. Let's donate later. You can bookmark some pages, all this good stuff. The home button does not show up on the screen though when you're using this application, the iPhone application thing, or it's called VNC Viewer 4. Pretty nice. You have to install a program or a file on your iPod Touch in Cidya, or you can use IC. Dock Prefs. Down here, if you use that, you'll be able to slide upward, and it will show you all your icons, and that works at all times. I use Installius, and I use 3.0 Sync. This is 3.0 firmware. I would show you that, but I do not want to show you my MAC address. That's what freaks me out, so I'll just general about, and there you go, version 3.0. See, got a lot of mangas on here, so I love this thing. My battery, that's a good application to show you what your battery power is. I like it. The bar does work, and it does show you how many hours. It's not exactly correct. It rounds. So, okay, now real quick, I'm going to show you. Oh, you can rename. It's rename. You can rename files, like if you have, I'll show you something, for instance, like emulators, and you don't like the names of them, like me, for instance. See the GBA, GB, NES, I renamed them all to what they are instead of GPA for iPhone. Okay, now let's open up a folder so I can show you that. See, I got 2 items in there. You can both click on them. You can practically do whatever you want with them. Like, you can take your background off, you can use your font, what color you wanted it, how many rows you want to have. I'll leave it at 1. You can put your themes on there. Okay. And then winner board. I like that because you can customize. As you can see, I have the old theme. It's a pretty good application. I like it. See, you can install themes, or customize, as people puts it. There's a good game, Lie Detector, the Stephometer. It's a funny game. The VNC Viewer 4 program, I'll show you in a second what I mean when I say you cannot turn it. It does not turn over when you do. So the screen and stuff does not. I like the Resident Evil game. That's a pretty fun game. The Fast and the Furious, and the Assassin's Creed. My favorite emulator though is Game Boy Advance GPS one. If I get the an iPhone. I'm gonna get the 3GS just so I can play games faster. I mean, I'm gonna stick with the iPod Touch for a long, long time until it breaks. And then I'm gonna get an iPhone. See, I have all of these. I SSH'd these, so if you're looking for a source to get them all, that probably will not work. So I like playing the Pokemon games. It does take sometimes a while for my saves and my emulators to allow me to scroll like this. I do not know why. I think it's just a loading problem. Let's play some Emerald. Yeah, no sound. Okay. As you can see, I'm using the Wii Remote controller. I do not know if it can send the game through. Yeah, it doesn't work. It can't send it through the Wi-Fi, I don't think. Oh, hey, it can. It's working. Okay. So let's talk to him. And as you can see, it emulates, though, just it doesn't show it because it has a hard time with the internet connection. I have a really slow internet connection, so yeah. I like the scriptures because it's a Bible. It actually works and everything. And then I like the mobile theater, the MX Tube. I love downloading videos on MX Tube. It also allows you to stream videos. And then the D-Tunes allows you to watch downloaded videos or music or anything in that order. And then mobile theater, it's pretty cool because it allows me to practically do, well, instead of going to the movie theater, I can just watch it on my HD TV. I mean, that's awesome. Okay, I like this application. It's called Stacks. It allows you to make a stack of icons that you use. Like a quick, I named mine, as you can see, links. So it's links to things. It's a pretty good stack. You can hold it down, and then it'll ask the top to rename the stack. Let's just stop that real quick. And I cannot show you my videos because it doesn't allow me to do that through Wi-Fi. The video doesn't work through Wi-Fi. Fake a call. Now that actually, I use that. I mean, I don't like it when people are sitting there gibbering on about oh, my nails are getting done, la 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 la. I do not like that. That is just boring and annoying. I mean, go tell someone that cares. So I just open it up. I'll be on my iPod, and then I lock it real quick, and then I'll be oh, my phone's ringing, I gotta answer it, and slide and unlock it. You know how it is. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. You click how many minutes, and you click fake a call, and then as soon as that time that you put on there comes up, it will ring, and I put this as my ringtone. And I'll be oh, I gotta answer that, hold on. And then it'll just take so long. And then you can end it, and stuff like that. It's really cool. And real quick, I'll show you what I mean when I say it doesn't turn here. See this? Clover flow doesn't turn correctly on the screen, which is very annoying. And then I found something that's really nice. It's called CNY Tact. It's contacts. I hope this does not show any phone numbers. Good. It shows contacts. For instance, you can see their picture right next to their name. That's pretty nice. I like that. I do not use Icy because sometimes it does not work. I do use font swap. As you can see, my lock screen has the the numbers at the top are different than the normal. Well, I do that with font swap. It's kind of nice. I also installed Winterboard settings, so I can get to Winterboard through my settings, and Cidya delete. I mean, when you can hold down an icon, Cidya icons, they'll be red. See, these are black. These are actual applications, some of them. They have black X's, and these have some red X's. That means they were installed from Cidya. And those are Cidya deletes. It takes longer to delete those games from Cidya, though. Sorry to those of you people that love it, or want it. It does take more time. And I use my mail and Text Plus a lot. I have a lot of people I contact. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe.